We'll guide you through how to install Gmail on a laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because you can then easily go and access it. What you want to do is open a web browser. For this guide, we're going to use Edge. You can use other browsers, but I just use Edge. You can follow along step by step. It'll already be in your system. Click search and search for it if needed. Come to Google if you aren't already here. Make sure you're signed into your account in the top right, and you want to go and find Gmail in the top right. You're then going to be brought here. What you want to do is go to the top right and press the three dots. Go down and find the option More Tools and hover over it. And you need to go and hover over Apps. And then we've got the option Install this site as an app. So you can go and click that there. We'll leave it as Gmail and press Install. Wait for it to complete. It will then go and open up. You can go and allow the shortcuts here and wherever else you want and press Allow. Now you can go and see it's on my desktop. I can double click on it and get here quickly.